So this is a reasonably good performance considering the constraints under which we are working. Between the last quarter and the current quarter, there is only one difference. Last quarter, we have accounted for substantial amount of NPAs on agriculture. 1,079 crores was taken as NPA during the last year because the government has not finalized the loan waiver scheme at that point of time. Now, as both the governments have finalized the loan waiver scheme, we have not taken any fresh NPAs in the agriculture during the current quarter. And most of the accounts are getting renewed in the Telangana zone because the money has come in. 25% money has already flown into the system, credited to the party's account, and the clients are coming for, borrowers are coming for renewal of these accounts, which we are renewing on a very large scale. In fact, there are about 600, 700 people are coming to the branches to renew the accounts. Our capacity is constrained to about 50, 60 accounts per day at which we are renewing it. During the current quarter, that is the third quarter, when most of these accounts are renewed and the interest reverse in the previous quarter along with the provisions which are made for the agriculture advances to the extent of 393 crores, a substantial portion of it can get reversed during the current quarter. So we expect the third quarter to be much better than the second quarter. And the NPS have come down, as you might have seen. NPS both quantum wise and percentage wise remains almost the same. And it was net NPA has come down because of the additional provisioning which we have made. And there is an improvement in the provision coverage ratio also, which was around 44%, has come to more than 50% during the current year. So there is quite a bit of improvement, but it could be much better. We were expecting things to improve much better. The economy has not turned around yet. The real economic turnaround has not taken place. And in the meantime, the Visakhapatnam has created some more problem for us.